Alright guys, today we're going to be tearing down a classic piece of mid-2000s tech. The Sirius Starmate Ultra Compact Satellite Radio Receiver. This guy was one of the easiest ways to get satellite radio in your car back in the day, and it came with everything. The magnetic antenna, remote, built-in FM transmitter, super nostalgic. Let's see what's inside. So as you can see, here's the unit itself. I'm gonna open it. Ooh, I almost dropped my mic. Alright, I'm gonna let's open this up. Here's the unit itself. You can see the front has a, wait, let me take out this thing here. You can see the front has a 3-line 20-character display. Big toggle button. Where is it? Oh. Where's the toggle button? Okay, check the box. This is the toggle button. Alright, pretty simple. Design layout, button layout, pretty simple. Definitely very early 2000 design. Thick plastic, kind of chunky, but it did the job. Alright, so I'm gonna try and crack this open. Usually these have screws on the back, and yeah, they do have screws on the back. Over here, over here, over here, and yeah, that's about it. And sometimes there's hidden screws under stickers or rubber feet, but I don't see any stickers or rubber feet here, so there's no hidden screws. Alright, so I'm gonna get my tools. Alright, so let's take off this screw right here. There we go. We take out this piece of plastic. Alright, and then in here, we unscrew these screws. Oh, there we go. Alright, now this screw. There we go. And let's see if we can just open it up like this. No, I don't think so. Alright, so the way to open it, you use these plastic picks here, spudgers, whatever you want to call them. Look, it's opening up. It's opening up. Don't pry too hard. You don't want to break anything. Just use normal force. You don't need to force it, and it'll just come right out eventually. Alright, so here where we unscrewed the screws, here is the opening, and you kind of just, there we go. There's an opening now because I use a spudger to make my way inside there. Careful. Okay. Alright. Oh, there we go. There we go. Comes right off. More screws. Nice. Oh. You can just tell this is an old PCB. The plastic here just of the board just looks old. I don't know how to explain it, but I don't know. Alright, so here's the main board. Here's where all the magic happens. You got the main satellite tuner chip around here somewhere. But yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna unscrew these screws here to take out the top of this RF shielding. Alright. Alright, let's take off this cap here, and ooh, this is some sort of like CPU or something? Processor? I don't know. Yeah, you can see some capacitors, resistors. Nice. Okay. Now let's unscrew this PCB off of the rest of this case so we can inspect it further. Alright. Alright, just take it out. Here's the display, as you can see, and it connects from to back here. And oh look, first time encountering this. These gold wires, they're almost certainly bond wires or EMI shielding connections for the display. You know, they're like grounding wires to keep interference down. Super retro looking and not something you see much on modern devices. This is kind of like my first time tearing down something super retro like this satellite radio or whatever the flip you call this thing. So yeah, it's my first time encountering this. Pretty cool, actually. I'm happy. Yeah, so they're super fragile. I'm not gonna really poke at it too much. Yeah, because the display might stop working, because I want to assemble this again and try it out later. So I'm not really gonna touch on this that much. But, you know, we can move on to these screws here. Alright. Okay. There we go. I'm gonna move this carefully so we can get to this screw. There we go. Really nice. So yeah, this was the what's it called, the let me just check what it's called. I keep forgetting. Starmate Ultra Compact Satellite Radio. And I guess we're done disassembling this. I'm gonna assemble it back later, but in the next video I'm going to disassemble the remote that it has. So please stay tuned, guys. Peace.